Hello everyone, this is the Autistic Girl. Today I'll be making Kissy Missy from the popular game Poppy Playtime. The first step is to first draw Kissy Missy's face. So as you can see, unlike Huggy Wuggy's face which was triangular in shape, Kissy Missy's face is like a heart. Then we're going to draw Kissy Missy's lips. We will draw 4 curves, one on the left, one on the right, one just in the middle, and the last one is going to be below them all. After drawing these 4 curves, we are going to join them. Then we will draw the inner lining and the tongue. Now we're going to draw Kissy Missy's eyes, and her eyes are actually oval in shape. Now we're going to elongate her neck to the point the ribbon comes. Now we are going to draw the ribbon. Then I'm going to draw the rest of the body, and in my drawing you can see exactly where the arm starts. After we're done with the drawing, we will make it a bit more lighter, because if you do watercolor on it and the drawing is very dark, then it's going to ruin the whole watercolor effect. First we need to know which type of brush to use. I'm using a round paintbrush of number 5, and if you don't have a number 5 paintbrush, you can use number 4. With this paintbrush, we are going to spread water on the parts which are not near to the eyes, to the ribbon, to the mouth, to the lip. And then after spreading the water, we will spread pink color on it. You can also mix pink and white and use that color. After you're done with that, you can take a small paintbrush. I've taken a round paintbrush of number 3, but you can take 2 as well. So you are going to spread the paint to the parts which are very near to the eyes, to the lips, to the mouth and to the ribbon. And we're going to make a little background of pink to all these things, and then we're going to mix it. We're going to merge it with the pink color we have spread before. After you're done with that, you can take a smaller paintbrush. I've chosen 0.001. With that, you can make strokes on some of the parts to make it look like a toy, to make it look more realistic. We will now go to the ribbon, and as you can see in the poster, they have used sky blue for Kissy Missy's ribbon, and the same we will use as well. I am using a round paintbrush of number 3. Now we will take a thinner brush and paint the lips. You will use maroon color for it. First you're going to outline and kind of shade the maroon color in the lips, and then you're going to take pink color and merge the maroon color with that. So basically you have to do watercolor shading. Then we're going to paint the inner mouth. I suggest you do the tongue before doing the inner mouth. I've used the color red for the tongue and black for the rest of the mouth. Don't do anything for the eyes, we're going to do this later on. Then, now that we are complete with Kissy Missy, all the other body parts except the eyes, we are going to make a type of background. Now this is optional because this is not going to help you make Kissy Missy, Actually, background can be quite useful if you want to get more out of the drawing. It highlights the main part of the drawing and it makes the drawing even more visually pleasing. So I've chosen the color yellow for it because I've noticed that yellow is the main theme of Poppy Playtime. If you go to the main page of Poppy Playtime, you will notice that they use the color yellow for all types of backgrounds. So yeah, I think the yellow color will fit perfectly for the background of Kissy Missy. After doing the background, you can see that I've actually drawn hearts with watercolor. This is also optional. Now we are going to make Kissy Missy's eyes. We are going to take a black gel pen and we are going to outline a ribbon, add a little effect to it, and we're going to outline Kissy Missy's lips. We are going to outline her tongue, if you know it's possible to outline it. And then we're going to take our white gel pen and we use it to add some highlights, which is going to make the drawing a slightly more adorable. And with this, our drawing of Kissy Missy is complete. I hope you liked the video and the art. I hope it was super duper easy for you to understand how to make this. If you did, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.